BETTEFLOOR, the flush-to-floor shower area made of steel and enamel, sets new standards. Ever more people are enjoying its benefits, the feeling of spaciousness, the brilliant surface, the individual forms and colors, the unparalleled hygiene, the showering comfort without any risk of tripping. The specially developed BETTE Installation System Flush-to-Floor is a perfect addition to the BETTEFLOOR and makes installation fast, simple and absolutely safe. With a minimum installation height of 65 mm for drainage through a floor cavity and 110 mm with a BETTEFLOOR drain, the installation system is the ideal solution for flush-to-floor installation, also for the refurbishment of old buildings and fiddly renovation work. The BETTE Installation System Flush-to-Floor is supplied with all the components needed for assembly in one package. It contains the stable aluminium frame, complete with pre-assembled rubber pads, the height-adjustable feet, casing aids, as well as an accessory package with sealing material for the tile layer. So, nothing more stands in the way of the successful installation of the BETTEFLOOR. The flush-to-floor shower area is completely finished in 3 work steps. In the first step, the pre-assembled frame is positioned on the bare floor. For this purpose, the height-adjustable feet are screwed into the frame, exactly where they are needed. Thanks to different spacers, the feet can be accurately adjusted for installation heights of 65 to 180 mm. The frame is positioned at the desired location and secured to the floor with clips on 2 opposite feet. Here's a tip. The tiling aid provided marks the upper edge of the BETTEFLOOR and is therefore a great help when aligning the frame. The drainage pipework is already prepared too. Finally, the casing aids supplied are screwed to the frame. The casing later remains in position. This produces a placeholder with millimeter precision, as the screed can be laid right up to the edge. Trouble with inaccurate recesses is a thing of the past. After the screed has been laid, the height of the frame can still be readjusted if necessary. In the second installation step, the necessary seals are then installed. For this purpose, the blue sealing fleece is first cut to fit and then glued to the frame. The seal with the building structure is provided with a barrier coating. The closed-pore PE sealing strip is glued onto the frame, and as the bottom seal also protects the shower area against leakage. This produces an absolutely waterproof connection with the wall and floor. The tiling aid now serves as a spacer for the wall and floor tiles. It can be installed both at the corners and on the long sides of the frame. The tiler can work with pinpoint accuracy without the shower area being installed. That protects the high-quality surface of the BETTEFLOOR. In the third and final step, the shower area is now installed in the bathroom, which has already been tiled. For this purpose, the shower area is inserted into the frame and the drain fittings finally connected. The joints are then provided with an elastic sealant. The close radii at the edges of the BETTEFLOOR provide a clear joint pattern with genuine sharp corners, without the otherwise usual silicone aggregations in the edge area of a shower tray. Thanks to the installation of the shower tray after the tiling work, the entire construction is permanently accessible for troubleshooting. The BETTE Installation System Flush-to-Floor is available for all versions of the BETTEFLOOR, whether square, rectangular, or as a corner solution. With the colours we have developed ourselves, which are in line with the current tile trends, a whole host of bathroom ambiances can be easily created, quickly, simply, and absolutely safely. The BETTEFLOOR also offers optimum sound insulation, tested and confirmed by the Fraunhofer Institute. Here, once again, an overview of the advantages of the BETTE Installation System Flush-to-Floor for the BETTEFLOOR and all 3.5 mm deep BETTE shower trays. Installation from a floor structure height of 65 mm. Positioned and installed quickly and easily. Assembly of the installation system prior to the screed work. No penetration of moisture. No water damage. permanently accessible for troubleshooting. The BETTEFLOOR and the BETTE Installation System Flush-to-Floor for unlimited showering comfort.